Joseph and his brothers. Once upon a time, there was a young boy named Joseph. He was the youngest of 12 brothers and the favorite son of their father, Jacob. To show his love, Jacob gave Joseph a beautiful, colorful coat. Joseph's older brothers were very jealous of him because their father seemed to love Joseph the most. One day, Joseph told his brothers about some strange dreams he had. In one dream, he saw their bundles of wheat bowing down to his bundle. This made the brothers even angrier, and they came up with a terrible plan. They caught Joseph, took his special coat, and sold him to traders passing by, who took him to Egypt as a slave. Then, they lied to their father, saying that Joseph had been eaten by a wild animal. In Egypt, life was hard for Joseph, but he never lost faith. He worked honestly and earned the trust of many people. Even when he was unfairly thrown into prison, Joseph stayed hopeful. While in jail, he correctly interpreted the dreams of 2 prisoners, and later, he explained the meaning of Pharaoh's dreams. Pharaoh was so impressed that he made Joseph his advisor, putting him in charge of all the food supplies. When a terrible famine came, Joseph's good planning saved Egypt. One day, his brothers arrived to buy food, not recognizing him. Joseph decided to test if his brothers had changed when he ordered them to leave one of them in Egypt and send the rest back home for their younger brother Benjamin. He wanted to see if they were willing to sacrifice themselves for him. When they returned with Benjamin and treated him honestly, defending the younger brother, Joseph realized they had repented and changed. He then revealed himself to them and forgave them. "Don't be afraid," Joseph told them. "I don't hold a grudge. God turned what you meant for harm into something good." Joseph invited his whole family to live with him in Egypt, and they were happily reunited. This story teaches us about the power of faith, forgiveness, and hope, even in difficult times. If you like this video, please kindly give the video a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. May the Lord keep you.